I had a Chrysler Town and Country minivan with no-build flooring that allowed me to be very comfortable sleeping inside the car, and my dog as well. But after I started bringing in a refrigerator, an air conditioner, and a couple of large power stations, I realized that I needed to trade in this minivan for a slightly larger vehicle. So after driving around in this minivan with my dog almost on a daily basis for over 3 years, I'm dismantling the flooring to return the minivan to its original state. And you can see that the insulation foam board underneath the carpet tiles is still in great condition. And that's because I had leveled the minivan floor underneath the insulation foam board with some styrofoam boards from a furniture delivery that I had saved instead of throwing out, and an old yoga mat that I cut to size. I upgraded to this Cadillac Escalade ESV model. To create as much space as possible, I paid to get the two middle seats professionally removed. This is what the floor looked like after the seats got removed. And it turned out I couldn't keep the floor in this state because putting down stuff like my refrigerator and my AC on uneven floors could cause them to topple over, and my dog could easily fall on this floor since when we're on the road, she's constantly standing and looking out the window as opposed to lying on the floor. So I took out this rug, which came right off. The metal flooring underneath has multiple levels. This level is higher than this level, which is higher than this level, which is higher than this level. And then there are bolts coming up from the floor, and the floor at the side edges slope down. Lastly, notice the irregularly shaped periphery. So first, I created a template using this cardboard. And then I repurposed an old tabletop to cut one piece of board to shape. And then repurposed a desktop to cut a second piece of board to shape. This was an old desktop with ruined laminate. I used some 2x4 wood and carpet pieces to level the floor. I drilled holes in the wood pieces so that I could fit them over the bolts to help keep the wood pieces in place underneath the boards. Now I'm installing the carpet tiles that I cut to shape as needed. These are the same carpet tiles that you saw in my minivan earlier. Next, I attached all the carpet tiles together in place by using duct tape on the backs of the tiles. Exactly the same way as was shown in my video for the no-build flooring for my minivan, except in that video, I used clear shipping tape. It turns out that duct tape works much better. By the way, these carpet tiles are commercial grade with a very thick rubber backing, which is also why the insulation foam board in my minivan stayed in such great condition. And you can get them for very cheap from Habitat for Humanity Restore, which is like a thrift store that sells used building supplies. These are the same cushions that I used in my minivan. It turns out that the top of my head lines up right at the edge of the platform that the folded down third row seats make. So I really don't need to build anything else to sleep on. I'm only 5'3", so I can sleep comfortably and shift my body without worrying about my head falling over the edge. And my dog has this space and this space on top of the platform to sleep. And with this third row seat folded up, there's plenty of room for me to just sit down and watch a movie or eat dinner, just relax, lounge. So my next project will be to build a folding table or desk that will fit right here.